Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Yes, this video is going to be featuring my brother. Yes, so there's this noodles he usually makes. Like each time he makes these noodles, I start salivating because it looks so good and yummy. But the thing is, I don't know if these noodles tastes as yummy as it looks. So today he walked up to me and said he wanted to make these noodles because last time he made it, I was like, "Oh, I'm going to taste this your noodles one day to see if it even has taste or if it's even tasty." So today he came to me and said he wanted to make the noodles if I was interested. I was like, "Oh yes, of course." An opportunity for me to like taste it. So guys, I am going to take you through the process of him making these noodles, and at the end of it, give you guys the feedback of how these noodles taste. Stay tuned, guys. So, this is him prepping for the noodles. Say hi to my family.
Hello.
I said hi. Which one is hello?
Hi. I'm preparing a very delicious noodles today. I hope when it's ready, you come join us. So when it's ready, I'll definitely let you all know. I'll notify you all. Thank you.
So, guys, what he did first was add water in the pot and he added the noodles. So he said he's going to allow it boil for some minutes. Yeah. So he's turning the noodles into a filter. He said his method is going to be fried noodles, or the method is fried noodles rather. These are the ingredients he's going to be using. These are carrots, corned beef, onions and pepper, then egg mixture. What did you add to this egg?
Um, Indomie spices and pepper. Just Indomie spices and pepper. Just to spice it up.
Okay. So he said this is egg mixed with Indomie spices. Wow. Okay.
Carrots.
The carrot. Okay, this one is okay. You added the remaining one.
Spices.
Okay. So you're just going to fry like this for how many minutes?
Uh, 3 minutes.
Okay. So this is a mixture of onions, pepper, and corned beef and carrots. Yes.
Can cover.
Okay, you're going to cover. Wow. So he said it's covering to allow it fry for like 3 minutes. Then we'll get back to it. This is after 3 minutes. He said he wants the carrot to be softened before.
Yeah, we can add our noodles now.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
He's stirring them together. So you guys see how yummy it looks. Okay, let's see
Wow.
how it goes. Well done, chef.
Yeah,
My chef is sweating.
I'm sweating,
Oh
but
my
it's not
god.
easy.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I'm turning the noodles inside the pot so I can use this fry pan to fry the egg because I'm going to fry the egg.
he's just going to be frying the eggs now.
Yeah, I'm frying the egg now. Yeah, almost set. Everything is almost set. So soon eat.
So this is how the meal looks. Doesn't this look so yummy? I hope it tastes good as well. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Guys, these noodles taste really, really good. I cannot even wait to go and sit down and start eating the food. Taste. Mm, tastes really good, honestly. Tastes good. My brother is a chef. I forgot to add that he said this is omugwo noodles. You guys, I'm not going to visit noodles again. Anyways, guys, I'm eating my omugwo visit noodles. Thank you, bro.
You're welcome.
Mm.
Yeah. Enjoy yourself.
So, guys, see my chef. My brother, he's a bit cuckoo.
Yes.
The food tastes really, really good.
Our food is ready. Let's go and eat. Guys,
So,
want to join
remember,
us?
he said he was going to update you guys when he finished cooking. So, this is the update. Updates. Here, see his food, guys. See how yummy it looks. Can tell, huh? Okay, bro. Thanks for being here with us today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye. So, guys, I finally tasted my brother's noodles, and honestly, tasted really, really good. Yeah, really good. And he called it Obugo Visit Noodles. I never heard that one before. Anyways, it was nice having you guys here, and I'm going to be bringing this video to an end now. Please, if you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button. Hit that subscription button there. That one, that red. You see that red thing there that is that the road subscribe. You just click on it. Then you see a bell beside it. Something like a bell icon. Just click on that bell. That bell is the notification bell. So it will help notify you when I upload a new video. So anytime I upload a new video, I don't need to come and say, guys, come and watch my video. Oh, come and watch my video. So anytime I upload a video, you'll just be the first to see it. Just pop up on your phone screen. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and I love you. Bye.